Okay. Now we will see about the algebra of the complex numbers, right? So, like with normal numbers, what we can perform the same algebra with the complex numbers, right? Like with numbers we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the last one, division. Okay, so we can perform this 4 with our simple numbers. We can do this 4 algebra on the complex numbers also, right? So at first we will look at addition, how to do the addition of the complex numbers, right? So suppose for instance we have our first complex numbers equals to 3 plus 4 iota, okay? And we have our second complex numbers 7 plus 8 iota, right? Okay. So what the addition of complex numbers says, we just add the real parts together, we add the imaginary parts together, okay, and we get our new complex number, right? So let's suppose the resultant or the addition of these two complex numbers is Z3, okay? So Z3 would be Z1 plus Z2, right? So what is Z1 here? It is 3 plus 4 iota, okay? And what is Z2 here? It is 7 plus 8 iota, right? Now we add the real parts together and imaginary parts together, right? So we will have 3 plus 7 together, okay, plus iota, right? We can take the common 4 plus 8, okay? The imaginary part of the first complex number and the imaginary part of the second complex number, right? So okay, so we will have Z3, okay, equals to 7 plus 3 10 plus 8 plus 4 12, okay, 12 iota, right? So this is the simple technique, or you can say simple method to do addition, right? So addition is very simple and subtraction is similar to addition, right? How? So in subtraction, similar in the case, we subtract the real parts together and we subtract the imaginary parts together, okay? And we get our result, right? So here we will do the subtraction. Okay. So let's suppose the subtracted result is Z3. Okay. So Z3 equals to Z1 minus Z2. Okay. Now Z1 is 3 plus 4 iota. Okay. And Z2 is 7 plus 8 iota. Okay. So we subtract the real parts together and imaginary parts together, right? So this will be 3 minus 7 plus we take iota common. 4 minus 8. Okay, so I am writing here this letter. So Z3, the new complex number obtained on subtraction, Z3 equals to 3 minus 7, that is minus 4, plus 4 minus 8, that is minus 4. So plus iota minus 4. Or you can also write it as minus 4, okay, minus 4 iota. Okay. So subtraction is also pretty simple. I told you earlier, these complex numbers are very simple. Okay. Now we will look at multiplication. Okay. So for multiplication, similar is the case, right? Not similar, little bit different, right? So suppose we have a first complex number z1 equals to 2 plus 4 iota, right? And we have the second complex number z2 equals to 3 plus, take it 2 iota. Okay. So if you want to multiply z1 into z2, okay, so how do we do? Okay, so the thing is, we multiply this real part of the first complex number with this, okay, and this one with this. Okay, now, so when we multiply, so 2 into 3, that is 6, right, plus 2 into 2, that is 4 iota, right, plus 4 into 3, that is 12 iota, right, and 4 2s are 8, and iota into iota, iota square, right. Now you have already seen iota, right, but you don't know about iota square, right? So iota square, for I will tell you in the next video the powers of iota, but for here the value of iota square equals to minus 1. I will tell you how this iota square is minus 1 in my next video, but for instance take iota square equals to minus 1, right? Now it will be 6 plus 4 and 12, sorry, 16. 16 iota, and that is minus 8, because iota square equals to minus 1 and then minus 8. So it will be minus 2 plus 16 iota. Okay. So this was the multiplication. Now we will see the division. Okay. So for division, there is a concept of conjugate. Okay. So you know what is conjugate. At first we will look at that. Okay. So for instance, take a complex number. Take a complex number 3 plus 4 iota, right? So what would be the conjugate? Okay, of z1. Okay, so that would be equals to, we don't do anything with the real part, we keep it as it is. Okay, just we exchange the sign here. Okay, sign of the imaginary part, right? So this will be minus 4 iota. Okay, So this is the conjugate of Z1. So we represent this conjugate of Z1 as Z1 bar. Okay. So this is the conjugate of Z1 and the conjugate is this. We just simply change the sign here. Okay. Nothing else. Right. Now we will look at division. So suppose we have a first complex number Z1 equals to 4 plus 2 iota, and the other complex number equals to 5 plus, not 5, that would give us some complex calculation. So take at 8 and 2 iota. Okay. So if we want to take out Z1 by Z2, right? So what we do, we multiply the conjugate of this, okay, the complex number by which we divide, okay, we multiply the conjugate up and down, right? So like this, okay. So if we do like this, we will get a total real value here, okay. So we can definitely come out with a complex number that is of the form a plus ib, right? You know, the ultimate goal is to achieve a complex number with the form a plus ib. That's why we do this thing, right? Now, so Z1 was 4 plus 2 iota and Z2 was 8 plus 2 iota, right? Now the conjugate of Z2 will be 8 minus 2 iota. Okay. Now, so as I told earlier, what we will do, we will multiply. Suppose on division we get Z4 as our new complex number, then we multiply the conjugate, right, of this up and down, right? So Z1 into Z2 bar divided by Z2 into Z2 bar, right? So here Z1 is what? 4 plus 2i into Z2 bar is 8 minus 2i, and Z2 is 8 plus 2i and Z2 bar is 8 minus 2i, right? Now, so we have earlier seen how to multiply the complex numbers, so I am just doing straight away, right? So where should I write? Here I am writing here, okay. So this will be equals to 432, right? And this is 16, right? Okay. So this one and this one over. Now we will multiply with this one, right? So this is minus 8i, and this one will be 4, and there is a minus sign, iota square equals to minus 1, then that will be plus, okay? So that will be plus 4, right? Because 2 2s are 4, right? Minus 4, iota square is minus 1, I told earlier, so that will be plus 4, right? Now divided by, this is similar to a plus b, a minus b, right? And we know a square plus b square, right? Okay. So this is our b, right? So 8 8 square is 64, and this one, so 64 plus 2i whole square, right? So 2i whole square will give you 4i square, right? That will be minus 4. So it will give you 60, right? So we will have 32 plus 4, that is 36, plus 16 minus 8, that is 8i, divided by 60, right? So we can solve 36 by 60 plus 8i by 60. We can solve it further, okay? But that is right. So this was the division, right? So these are the algebra that we can do with the complex numbers, and in my next video I will talk about the powers of iota, okay, and conjugate. I have already talked about conjugate. We will see about the properties of the conjugate and the modulus of the conjugate, modulus of the complex number, right? Okay, so please like this video. Okay, if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and please comment. Thank you.